Hello guys, welcome to Wickfrees TV with me, Wickfrees Scott, Wickfrees here, and this is
Alexandra Wickfrees. Hello.
And we are aloha. We are live, aloha from Hawaii, and we are Scentsy Superstar Directors. Please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I love doing videos on the beach, Alexandra, because it always gets windy and it looks like we're in a real cold wind when we're not.
No longer in Donegal.
No, we're no longer in Donegal Island. We're in Oahu, on the north shore of Hawaii. How cool is that? And today, we are going to talk to you about just doing it. As a Scentsy consultant, just doing it. And Alexandra, I know I will be talking for the first few minutes, and Alexandra will be adding her bit, so please stand still and look really pretty. You know, one of the things I hate doing with videos is when Alexandra's talking, she always says, "Why do you look miserable?" It's because I'm standing there for 2 minutes like this. You know? So Alexandra is not going to look miserable.
I'm sorry you can't see our eyes either. I know that's probably really bad, but it is super bright here.
It is super bright. Let me show you my eyes. Hello there. Show your eyes, Alexandra.
So we'll have to be kind of expression. Oh, I'm getting panda eyes already. Let's get on with the call. Enough with the panda eyes.
Let's not get on. Hey, yeah, you can see Thea's eyes. Let's not just get on with the call. What is the word we want to use, Alexandra?
Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Just do it, Scott.
So I'm going to share a story with you guys. It's about 3 years ago when we were moving to Spain, and we had a choice of moving to Spain or France. And this was 2016. Alexandra wanted to move to France because she could speak French. I wanted to move to Spain because of the lifestyle. And we landed in Malaga just to trial out Spain in a winter month. And
it was great.
It was great. And as soon as you landed, I said, "Alexandra, we're moving here."
We had tapas, we had vino tinto.
We had sunshine. And nobody's on the aeroplane. I just saw the sunshine. I said, "We're moving here." And Alexandra goes, "What about France?" I said, "We got to make a decision. We are moving here." Okay? And then it came to, when are we moving here? When you were a baby. And it came to, when are we moving here? And I said, "We're moving here in September." And Alexandra goes, "We were doing some travels. Alexandra had an operation." Alexandra's like, "Oh no, we should do November or maybe the following year. You know, we need to get things sorted.
Time to pack up the house.
Time to pack up all the other things which get in the way." Yeah, exactly. And I said, "No, we're moving in September."
And luckily the people, and some friends wanted the house we were in as well, so they were like, "We'll pack the house for you, just get out." So that was that.
So we moved there in September.
Yeah.
And we just did it. We landed with 4 suitcases.
No, we landed with 6. And
6 suitcases.
Now we have a house full.
And now we have a house full, and that was only 3 years ago.
I just did that as well.
And I have 1 suitcase. And I am very proud of that.
A lot more.
Alexandra has a lot more junk than me. So we just did it. So what does this mean if you want to be successful in life? The difference between people who are successful and not successful is taking action. Okay? We can do as many trainings as we want. We can, go on many team calls as we want. We can go on many YouTube trainings as we want. We can listen to many motivational videos and go to many seminars as we want. But if we don't put it into action, what we learn, and what's the word, Alexandra?
Just do it.
You are never ever going to succeed.
It doesn't matter what you want to do either. Just like the smallest baby step. Oh, I'm going to write to 5 customers. Just do it. Don't tell us what you're going to do. Just do it. Don't write it in a book what you're going to do. Just do it. And it's the case with so much in life. If people actually took action. Instead of thinking about it, planning it, worrying about it, fearing it, you get so much further.
That is your hand on my bum, not a crab, yeah?
It was a hand on my bum.
Okay, as long as
on your bum, not my bum.
As long as it's not a crab. And one of the things in life and in business is you get people talking a lot. And I'm sorry, I'm going to be blunt here. You get people talking a lot, and then they talk about they're going to do something, and then they delay that factor. If you're going to do something, put a date on it.
Is that you? Are you one of those people?
If you're one of those people, put a date on it. Put an exact date on it. Find out the price. Find out how much it's going to cost you, and then just do it.
Absolutely.
And it's the same in your business, okay? We've been doing this for 8 years, and we see, and I'm just going to be honest with you.
Just hit them with it, Scott.
You don't have to build an office to build a business. You do not have to wait till your Scentsy starter kit comes until you start selling. You don't have to start making samples until you can actually sell some products. You don't have to do anything apart from just get on with it and do it. It's wax and warmers. It is not rocket science. It is not a giant science experiment. It is simple. Wax and warmers. You get your wax and warmers, take it out there and share it with other people. Don't talk about it. What do you need to do, Alexandra?
Do it.
Just do it. And if you have things in your life, and Alexandra's going to explain where the Just Do It story comes from in a minute. If you have things in your life, I'm not talking business here, if you want to move to Spain,
get slimmer,
if you want to get slimmer, if you want to move to France, if you want to come on holiday for 2 months to Hawaii, if you want to travel the world, don't just talk about it. Put it in. We do travel the world, Thea. Why? Because Mummy and Daddy and Thea just
do it. This was not the greatest time probably for a Hawaii trip, but do you know why we did it? Because why wouldn't we? This is this year. We will cram as much into this year as is humanly possible, because who knows next year what we'll be doing, but we'll be doing something completely different. Taking action.
What is the saying? Do not live your life on repeat year to year for the 80 years. Live differently. So if you have something you want to achieve, just get on and do it. If you want to start a Scentsy business, guess what?
Go to our website
and sign up there and just do it. But it's if you want to get started with a Scentsy website, why do you need to? It's sometimes a lot of gambles pay off. Okay, so why do you need to worry about it? Why do you need to go overcomplicate things? Why do you need to talk yourself out of it? Just get on with it, do it, face the fear, and watch yourself grow. Okay, this was not a video. Yeah.
That's what we see is when people do take action, they get a massive buzz off it. They get like an adrenaline rush. They feel they've accomplished something and they do more and more of it. So it's like a hidden benefit of action taken. And you can take action at any point. Seriously, if you're watching this thinking, oh no, that's not really me, oh no, but really secretly inside you know that this is you. You're the procrastinator, you're the time waster,
the talker,
you're the Facebook friending machine, you're fanning around doing different stuff. Today, decide that I will take action. I will do one thing every single day that makes me an action taker, and then make it 2 and make it 3, but don't put it off until tomorrow. Finish watching this video and then do it. Go and do something.
Aloha.
That is action taken.
So
that is what you need to do.
So let me just paint a picture of this story. I'm going to start it, Alexandra's going to finish off, you know? And then we're going to finish this call. Okay, so
it's a
video. So in the corporate world, and I've been in a few of these meetings, you know.
Well, I definitely have.
You spend Monday morning, I used to spend an hour and a half just listening to people talk a lot, faff around a lot, and not just do it.
You love these meetings though, because it got you off actually doing it.
Yeah, I was getting paid hourly, so I knew what to say for the meetings to drag on, so I got to chill out with the biscuits and the tea.
Yeah, whereas I was hosting the meetings and they would drive me insane.
Alexandra would have been the big, not now, I give her that. Alexandra would have been the big meeting lady in the corporate and would have loved them all those years ago.
I had to do meetings for my business, and no, I didn't like the ones that just dragged on incessantly.
But so anyway, just one second. I painted the picture. We're in a meeting, and I'm faffing around with lots of ideas. And the meeting started at 9 o'clock, and now it's now 10:30. And this is how the Just Do It night. So I'm in a corporate meeting with the night team, and this is how the Just Do It.
Well, no, you weren't. But I did used to be in branding and advertising, and we would have meetings at ad agencies, and there'd be lots of food and lots of fun, and you got spoiled rotten, and you could sit around the table and you could just incessantly jaw on and bat ideas around.
And that's what we're doing right now.
And it was just insane. And
let's get to the point.
That's what Nike did. That's what they had in the Nike meeting, and they just batted around ideas.
And what did the CEO just say?
And the guy who was in charge of the advertising was like, I don't care, just do it. Just pick one, just do it. Just get on with it, just do it.
With a nice
anything, just do it.
Just do it, guys.
And that was it. All the ideas they had went out the window because they got their tagline, and they have just done it ever since. And that is what you guys need to do.
So if you're talking a good game, I'm giving you straight here. If you're talking to people, telling people you're going to do stuff but not actually doing it, if there's no date in mind, if there's, if you're building your business but you've got to wait for your kid to come in, or you've got to wait to make a few samples, or you've got to build an office,
or you've got to wait for the moon to be in alignment with Jupiter.
Life is never perfect. There are people like that. if you can get people love to be in routine. If you can tell me when you've had a kid, especially if you can get in a daily routine, then please teach me what you're doing, because there will never be a routine. Nothing will ever go according to plan. But if you really want to be successful, you just got to do what works well and just do it daily. Hasta luego. Subscribe to the channel, Alexandra.
Yes, subscribe to the channel, like the video,
and share. Just do it. Just do it. Share the video and just do it. Hasta luego, amigos. Say hasta luego, Thea. Say just do it.
Just do it.
Boom.